to accelerate dual carbon process in road logistics and achieve the goal of hydrogen commercial vehicles surpassing diesel vehicles in customer value. Hybot, relying on the H49 2.0 project, has made significant breakthroughs in key technology of lightweighting, long endurance, and low curb weight, successfully completed an important leap from R&D to commercialization. The H49 has undergone a series of calibration and tests, including extreme environment tests in Turpan and Mohi extreme cold test, fully verifying its reliability and comprehensive performance in multi-climate, multi-regional, and extreme working conditions. During real vehicle tests on the Han-Yi Expressway, the H49 underwent rigorous systematic verification, demonstrated its excellent performance in the test of energy consumption control, power response, and system stability. While completing various domestic tests, the H49 is also steadily advancing its global commercialization process. In September 2025, the H49 shone at the Hyvolution Chile Hydrogen Energy Exhibition, attraction's international market's attention. In October, Marvel, a Walmart Chile carrier, made a special trip to China for a real vehicle inspection. For the H49's overall performance, especially its full-load hydrogen consumption in high-speed scenarios, has been highly praised. Facing the urgent demand from global ESG shippers for zero-carbon transport capacity over 600 kilometers, by June 2025, the Hybot H49 was officially deployed in IKEA North China logistics operations. This marks the first commercial application of hydrogen heavy-duty trucks in long-distance, heavy-load scenarios exceeding 600 kilometers. After over 150 days, the vehicles have operated across Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei, Shandong regions, setting a new benchmark for hydrogen logistics with real-world data. In the Hybot H49 2.0 project, the H49 delivered outstanding results. Hydrogen consumption under full load of 49 tons, 7.1 kilograms per 100 kilometers. Vehicle curb weight as low as 10 tons. Gaseous hydrogen range 600 kilometers.